What is up, guys? Evergreen Fly Guy. I'm sorry that it's gonna probably look weird, but it's super cold here. Even though it's so warm and nice, it might just be me. I don't know. Video for today is gonna be something on the kayak. Now, this is something I can't really say I had the original idea for. I saw something similar that somebody was homemade making on Facebook Marketplace, and I thought it would come in super handy. So let me explain to you what it is and then where it might be useful. So to do that, let me show you what items we got here. I have two different style of clamps that I picked up at Lowe's, as you see here, and I want to take this paracord basically, and I want to loop it through. This one already has holes and this one has small holes, but we're going to widen them just a little bit. And I want to use them as like grippers for the kayak. So how I would do this is I would put this paracord through one or two of the little metal slots I have up front there, the little things that flick back, and I would run it to this, and then I could take this hook and I would have this rope furled up basically, and I would clip this onto like a tree branch or a log or something in the water that I wanted to fish near to kind of anchor me off. Now, the one design that I saw, they were using metal clips like this, but they had teeth in them. So I thought, you know what, that would be a good idea to get those teeth into the wood to get a better extra grip. Now, I don't know how well it'll work, so this is all kind of an experiment. I went with paracord because I figure paracord is probably the strongest. See, this has a 110-pound. Yeah, that should be perfectly okay, I would assume. If not, we can always upgrade the rope. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to drill out these holes on this one a little bit, because even if I can't use these for the kayak, I still have a ton of uses for clamps. So I'm going to get that taken care of. I'm going to set you guys up so you can watch me do it. How I'm going to do the claw type, or the points in this, is I'm going to set it in my my vice grip here, and I got an angle grinder, and I'm just going to go, just little slants in there. Nothing crazy. So let me get you guys set up and we'll get going. Don't really need much for this. Alright, I got that drilled out. I'm gonna open this paracord real quick and make sure that hole's wide enough. If not, I have other drill bits and we'll just move up another size. No, nothing hard. Oh, there's an end. Found an end. Okay. Now let's see if it'll fit through here. It will. Okay. Cool. So that's all I'm going to do to this one, because it is like this hard plastic, so it would be kind of pointless to really do teeth into it. But it's lightweight, and it has a really good, like, I can't move that. And you could do it around the limbs instead of buckling into it. So I think how I'm going to tie this one is through one of the loops, just like this. And then we'll basically put like a fisherman's knot on it. So, we'll see how well that works. Let me get some more slack out. I'm not the master of knots by any means, but I don't think we need anything too crazy to hold this. Oh, there we go. It's probably enough times around. Let's see if it tightens up like a fishing knot. Sure does. Then at this point I could cut this off. I think the slack will be fine. So I'm actually just going to roll up the slack for now, just around the handle of it. I'm thinking couple options. One, I have way too much on here than I need. I could cut this down, maybe split it in half, like 25-25, or alternately I could keep one of these with the full 50 and one with like 25 for different distances, or like other things, like maybe you pull up on a bank, you want to fish and you need to like anchor off, and then bam, you have 50 foot to do so. And then if you really need a distance, I guess you could string them together. But yeah, I think we'll leave this like that for the time. I'm going to go ahead and set up this one so we can do our little markings in it. So let me put you guys I'm back. So I had to just take that into my hand right there and make like these teeth right here. So there's like 3 teeth where this can kind of puncture in. And I did one on that side. I didn't do both sides because I kind of wanted to see how it worked out and if these bend or not. So same ordeal that I'm going to do now. I'm going to try to get like 25 feet out of this instead of the full 50 like we just put on that one. And this one's a little bit shorter. So I'm going to roll this one up. So this is the one I'm guessing that's like 20, keep it even as I'm wrapping it up through here. And you know what? There's a few ways that you could keep this. First off, if you cut yours, make sure you burn it because the paracord does come unraveled, but you burn that end, it should just cap itself off pretty well. You could run it through the 2 holes right here and then pinch it right there. Your slack's going nowhere. That's nice and tidy. I could probably do something similar with this one, which I probably will because it's already coming unraveled. So I just wrapped it around, through the hook here a few times. Then I'm just going to put the slack on the bottom. And so there you go. There's 2 different, we'll call these like kayak arms or something. Kayak holder anchors. I don't know. We need a good name for them. I don't know what the other guy called them. I think he just called them kayak grabbers of some sort. Thanks for watching, guys. Hopefully in another video when we do another kayak update, since you guys like seeing those, you'll see how I put these guys on there, or how the best way I decide to put those on there would be. And that's all I got right now. Oh, I did get a new favorite rod. If you see that right there, I found that at Sportsman Warehouse on sale. It's pretty exciting. I've never owned a favorite rod before. I always wanted to get one, but I kept putting it off. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Share it, turn on your alerts. But most importantly, guys, go catch some fish.